So I had to close the gate, and now I'll meet the guys up on the truck trail. Have to catch up with them. The worst part of the truck trail here, not only it's a little bit slippery, but there's cars on it. And I almost got hit right up here on this corner. There's one of the guys. On these sharper corners, like this one up here, they have a mirror, so you can look and kind of see, but it's always kind of hard to tell, or sometimes hard to tell if cars are hauling butt. Some of the guys way up there. So this trail right here ahead of us is the one we're going to be coming down. I'll wait all the video together with this and that one. This whole truck trail is basically decomposed granite that they lay down, and then they throw some gravel on top of it sometimes. Certain portions, they spray it with that chemical that makes it DG almost like asphalt. This is where we had a guy come up last time, and I was talking about his tires, and people were saying I was wrong. It's because how you actually have to turn on this hill. You have the 90-degree turn, and your front tire will get super sketchy as you go through that bump. We'll see how these guys do. This should be fine. But tires do matter on this. They're smart, they took it more at an angle like I did. Makes it easy. Piece of cake. Nice. Now the downhill into the valley. Doing this trail fairly often recently because the other way we'd make access to this area, one of the guys crashed and flipped over one of the big metal railings. It was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on video, but this one's a fun one anyways. That part that I just went over is the most sketchy part of the whole trail. This right here is just all about picking your right line and feathering your front brake. I am touching my back brake, but hardly at all. On anything this steep or this loose, you touch your back brake and your bike's just going to go directly sideways. Pick the wrong line there. For all the front brake naysayers, this just shows you need to have control of your front brake. Front brake does wonders. Off-road engine brake, front brake, you don't even need the back brake. Just learn how to feather it. So I just cut the video and I'm zooming in for these guys coming down. That's an XR600, a WR250R, and a Crf450rl in the back. I wish someone would lock up their rear brake so you can see what I was saying, but these guys are all pretty good riders. That's Adventure Brewery right there. Good. I'll link this with the video too. I'll put it all together. This is a good one also. It's just going to be a long video. So it's pretty rocky right here. With these bits, it does feel really good. The rocks are kind of loose, so you gotta be careful so it doesn't slide out from under you. Just going straight over them, no problem. When I follow people, because I'm going slower and I can actually look around, like this valley right here. I'm sure you can see it on the video. It's really cool. At the bottom there's oak trees and there's a seasonal stream. But it just all comes off this mountain. Almost all front brake. Tap my rear right there. Use my rear right here. Probably. I'm sure there's going to be a fair amount with me. I won't be able to see them. When I get up there, you can. GoPro. Oh, there's the guys right there. There's one of them. There's two more of them right there. That looks like that's an XR600. I don't know who's in the back. Oh, that's all three of them. It's a 450rl in the back. Comes the KTM. That's who we just caught a glimpse of at the beginning of the zoomed in portion.